I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're facing a transfer pending status on Google Pay, follow these steps to resolve it. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause delays in processing transactions. Step 2. Verify recipient details. Double-check the recipient's phone number or email address to ensure it is correct. An incorrect detail can lead to pending transactions. Step 3. Review payment limits. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update Google Pay app. Ensure that your Google Pay app is up to date. An outdated version may cause functionality issues, including pending transfers. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Google Pay support for assistance. They can provide specific insights into your account status. Sometimes, a simple app update can resolve pending issues that seem complicated. I hope these steps help you get your transfer sorted out quickly.